Hello everyone, myself Saitya and my friend are Yuvraj Bajatri and Vivek Patil are here before you to brief you about our topic, which is a mid-chain system, which is an anti-counterfeit supply chain, where in this project we will basically focus on the problem where fake trucks are supplied all over the world. So to solve this problem, we have brought up a solution which is as follows. The introduction is, as we all know, counterfeit medicines are a serious global problem. The fake drugs can harm the patient's treatment, but also they can reduce the treatment efficiency. Even after person paying a lot of money for the treatment, wrong medicines can cause a side effect to the treatment. Here, the traditional supply chain lack the transparency and security. Centralized systems are vulnerable to fraud and data tampering. As a single person is holding the complete record system, they won't even they won't notice the data tampering going on between the uh, data collection. The mid-chain systems are used here is the blockchain to solve this problem. We use blockchain, which includes safety, transparency, and secure drug tracking. So the system architecture of this is the system is based on a decentralized blockchain network. The data about the drugs are formed in a QR code or RDF code, which is user friendly. Any person can access and collect the details about the drugs through this. The blockchain stores the all the transaction details. They are updated through the drug movement. It reduces receipt and sells to the customers. The customers can check the product using their mobile apps and websites. Smart contracts are also implemented on this, which is a transparent way. The steps to improve the system uh, are implement the systems are step 1, register the drugs details to the blockchain. Step 2, generates a unique QR code or RFID code for each product. Step 3, record every transactions into the system. Step 4, verify the products at each stage of the supply chain. Step 5, track the movement of the drugs in a real time. Step 6, allows the customer to scan and verify the details about the drugs. So the final results are improves the transparency in drug and supply chain, reduces the counterfeit medicines, increase trust among the stakeholders, easy verifications for the customers, secures and tamper-proof data storage, efficient tracking of the drug movement. So as we have uploaded the final output of the website here, here the person who the company can enter the drugs ID, name, and the manufacturer details. Next step is all the registered drugs. The drugs details are registered here. Every steps where the drug is passing through will be entered and verified here, as its track will be stored. The final verification process is there where the customer can enter the drug ID and he will get the details of the drug. So the advantages of our website is ensures drug authority and safety, provides end-to-end transparency, reduces fraud and illegal distribution, improves trust in healthcare system. Data cannot be altered once, as blockchain is immutable. Once the data is stored, it cannot be changed. Easy access to product information. Next, it will be continued by Yuvraj.
Hello. High implementation cost. requires technical knowledge to operate, depends on internet connectivity, scalability issue in large networks. Next, challenges: adaptation by skillhood in supply chain, data privacy and accuracy, machine learning machine language amounts of data, maintaining system performance. Next, conclusion: MediChain provides a secure and transparent solution. Blockchain ensures trust and data integrity. The system reduces comfort drug problems. It improves safety for patients and customers. Uh, futures implementation Future implementation can enhance scalability and adaptation. It is a strong step towards the digital health care systems. Thank you.